My brothers and sisters in life, who hurt, betray behind your back, destroy you. And some gent used to target, but I want to see just a single atom of pain unnoticed. The loudest, the strong press comes powerless. Fear the one them. Let the action breaks Allah them. Satu Allah delays. Never this time is perfect. Some use it. Why him yet? And the shade whispering, make God protect, but understand Allah never random, never accidental. Delays some of life. A sign neglect is a sign precision. Allah designed that ends growth. There are Allah oppress, not disappoint. Act rope event expose, humble them, bring away the lesson, punish every instant. No would soft gain, but when Allah lets it slow to see reality, change depths, and just come away makes clear, fair. Every Allah says unaware. This word spoke against every action, every intention. See, nothing escapes knowledge. Delay time most fitting most while you are alone. Understand, watching heart. When you no one see justice right away, reward elevation. Your own patience, not passive patience. Trusting patient that His just, your is sub. And when justice light partial arrives, broken inside, hidden and protects you. Time perfect that we back will say, had I justice, I will learn, I learned, I will grow the way I person today. So Allah delay is plan was better text exposing theirs. Why change? Why they suddenly show a side of they never expect, and it hurts. Betrayal comes from an enemy, comes from someone trust or heart. You see, pain shifts. The mask of peace presence will harm heart. So when someone shows you their true color, it breaks you. Understand, broke. Many see we don't backs their heart, we don't jealous, arrogant, negative grow inside. Allah hears, Allah sees and sees. Moves for life that now, but imagine seeing damage, Allah saying damage, expose, never to hurt, protect. Some exposure happen through their words, through action, change, behavior, or through some distant. Why? This is Allah shift our heart away from never met active direct ocean, trust, attention, walk, clarity instead of see or show you this instead of later. Every you see some face, Allah step back, heartbreak easier to shattered soul late, all light pain instead heavy lies ahead. Distance themselves, feel their attention. The chapel ran. Every exit is every exit is a mercy. And when something space, not more peace, more growth. So the next time one stricter appears, don't wise happen. Instead say, Alhamdulillah, Allah protect for it broke one seen, one cannot handle. Never let connect to someone side harm. Allah protects you, protection or anger. One of the hardest in life is when someone hurts you, heart burn, faces, every risk yourself and naturally react, naturally back. There is power in silence than in anger. Silence not weak. Silence is a dua. Silence is a trust. Silence, this matter you see, not see. No. When a person wrongs you, pay offense. Sallallahu said, hear the dua of the oppressed, barrier be it. This moment someone just raise your heart, speaks direct. Allah, dua, brokers, your side a test of digging drum, a test ego, a test trusted the judge to hand control. Anger begs for revenge. Anger speaks from the ego side the soul. Anger to fix the side fix. To choose silence, not in the pain. For some element matter higher court, however hidden, no divine injustice can escape. People may manipulate the world, cannot. They may hide their intentions from, but cannot hide. They may tend to others, but Allah so hard loudness. So when be paid is saying, I have already taken note, I will handle better. Your silence also protects your own heart. Anger is the burden, but again and again it's still. But when you choose silence and hand it, heart stays lighter. Understand that not every battle yours fight. And here not for a second side. When your heart aches and stay calm towards it. When you suffer anger for His sake, better clarity, strength, peace, or adore, bless, expect. Sometimes the people hurt, they have one fight back, but we don't realize the moment they wrong, they were already not. But must Allah abandon those patient pride. He stand fight for them, and He writes justice so perfect. Here, understand why He told to stay silent. So the next time heart burn, react. My silence for them, my silence weak worship. My silence is invite the victory when Allah takes over the battle against you. A moment in life, limit. Stay patient. Stay understand the situation. Heavy carry. You explain yourself. A word. You try to fix things. The worst is you reach up. You say, hand, and that moment you hand pain over the battle. And when Allah takes over, there is also on earth no enemy, no scheme that can some break you. Stop strength and start relying. As long as you can pull everyone's you, that is far great, far strong. Any surrender the matter up. You are stepping aside and stepping. When Allah takes charge, battle entire verse, don't ever imagine irrelevant plots against you on their own. Lies spoke you lift Allah that enemy comes stunned by a turn. They expect your downfall, but instead miss your rise. Expect you to break. They expected, but ensure not power placed you. Allah says in Iman, if Allah helps you, none can overcome. Divine decide to suffer a way that makes you touch. If the entire world gathers against, they cannot less Allah protect the smallest blessing, the slight weapon strong possess. Fight for battle. Doesn't enemy elevates you, come up wide, more ground. Battle thought was sent, destroy you. Battle reused you, true protect. While your enemies were plotting your down, while throwing stones at you, Allah foundation, while they were shut was craft better door, one they touch. People may fight your potential, any blessing or misuntention. Fights for your sincerity, allow lie. So when you help be sad, helpless, beginning of strength, weakness, power, tears, a weapon. Silence be this. fight your battle, no look and victory outcured, and the end faith weak is strong. Lima, Allah does not let you walk away. Empty pain is one of the most beautiful true Islam. Never even every tear you cry, every night you've struggled to sleep, every wasted trial, the hand pain you carry your reservation. No way, blessing, no many risk of money, but risk is from that. Risk peace of heart, risk clarity of mind, risk earn experience, risk emotional strength, risk protect from some harm more if they stay. Risk is Allah more than one, and some risk is a less powerful. When someone hurts you, remain Allah in place that pain. Give not see immediate sign, gradual beauty, connection, your sincere, your these are blessed, valuable than anything that Allah says. Allah is with the patient. He doesn't watching the where is with them. Mean closer to hurt or stand beside. Listen, guide, continue. His strength in ways stand. Some door punish you, some better, some but gain peace you had. You may job depend, but gain blessing that sets your life in a better direction. You may lose the cut of reality, but gain the growth. Allah never giving places tempt you with is better. Here is a power of Allah. Also hurt, present, block, risk, their block, their behavior, their intention, block future blessing. When moves them, clearing the path so that what it can teach you, your never wait. Your heartbreak is never useless. Suffer is never last system. Every test is a stepping, every pain gate not see today. Back and say, that person hurt me. I will not taking that away. I receive. Had I not have grown to strength is to hurt you. Why? What takes away, what delays? He writes, no one can stop risk, sick breaks, try to break in life. They act block risk or happy. Some will hurt you, they assume take advantage, kind stake soft, and some stay silent, no strength. What real moment justly they war against create. Allah tells us in Iman, doers event. This means every some will hurt you, tension back on ways expect. Their lie up, their arrogance exposes them. Their skill apart, their block, and these do not always see the concept, but are see tires to end. Allah protects you. He doesn't really shield, weakens the ability. Sometimes creates and publishes their influence quietly. Sometimes turn actions against, and some he does some elevates you very to see fall. They are what Allah decorate blessings while life events here and erupt. Many times the person ends up break himself. As the Prophet dua answered for a sinner. Why he doesn't allow fair protect you nothing. You say nothing. You simply silent. Allah reacts. Your she pays your strength. Allah defend. As long as you stay sincere, stay humble, and stay connected, that nothing can ever by time. But you see, so he can lets the behavior out so great. Elevate you materially. Person who tried to break your plans ended up building it. The person who tried your reputed up character. The person who pushed you down ended up carrying. Allah doesn't let him have real peer protection. The moment he does, they collapse because you fought them. But if their injustice was heavy, allow heavy. Do not fear people. Do not worry about those who speak against you or act against you. The one strength plans and their outcome. Decide enough. Once irrelevant, powerless, and continue the harm roll breaks those who break. Show it no one life except him. Self just blocks it. One of difficulties, not because deserve it. When someone hurts, betrays, or speaks against us, respond, go revenge. Urge yourself right. Expose to make them and very of strength. The strength to rise above, to let go, and to hand the matter completely. Forgiveness is not letting them win. Forgiveness is letting take over. There is a pulse reality. Don't understand. When you chase revenge, Allah steps back. When you can say, Ya Allah, judge us, He steps, and the justice Allah did far perfect, far it, and then achieve. Revenge satisfy your anger, but justice set your heart. Forgiveness doesn't forget. It doesn't trust them again. It doesn't pain. In a simple change heart to someone who has already worked. To let bitterness come, to let someone hurt. When you give yourself peace, strength, clarity, blessing. Allah knows every detail of what happened. You cannot word. Everyone. In the moments you were silent, defend yourself, may lie, twist, play innocent while, but Allah sees exactly as it. And just because just destroy, teach, awaken, correct, and protect. Some punish by taking away their peace, bless. Some face, and some He lets growth, happy evasion, while they remain stuck in the same bitterness. Once feel their way, showing a sincere forgive, a heart, anger, struggle, connect to Allah. A heart resentment cannot heal the sweet worship, but a heart that forgives, soft, humble, open. See, Allah elevates the gives them, and He places take with something better. While may through soft, bless, strength to show, give escape. First, you're not saying they are innocent. You're saying, Ya Allah, I trust you handle them better ever could. Never was that kind of this world peace, next honor. So forgive not because they deserve forgiveness they are right. See, not to let them back your life, but to let give our steps, the battle our steps into your battle guarantee. Forgiveness is them peace, your elevate, and your closeness to let our handle the just will never regret the past. Beloved brothers and sisters, carries lesson. No just lost to Allah. Forget what did. People may pretend they did walk and happen cause. Respond exactly when just for life. Never alone yourself, never abandon, not see. The strength here is in the door open, everything seemed closed, and in the peace that returned, it was forever. These are all signs of fight. Many times that distrusing build, the hurt grow wiser. The citizens that broke close, the moment cried alone, reason to learn, nothing wasted. Every tear, every prayer, just every of silent patience, they echo in the heaven way. If someone has hurt, don't carry hand in Allah. If someone has betrayed, don't let bitter consume the matter. Allah. If some block success or damage, don't tongue let Allah just defend what stand jealous and no remains. Your responsibility is simple. Keep your heart intent pure and keep your Allah strong. His protection greater than any harm can more precisely design, and His time perfect any yourself. One day realize hurt never, the situations that overwhelm never, events that frighten never mercy, and every guide with a stronger heart. So walk forward with faith. Walk knowing protects you, loves you more than else. He's handling every battle cannot see. Your battle victim.